Alright, here we go with another quick little video. I'm going to change the oil on my 2018 F-150. Simple job. Some of these have a drain plug that's a new fangled plastic deal. Luckily mine has the metal bolt, and it's a 15 mil bolt on there, so socket. So I'm going to pop the drain the oil. I've put a little cardboard underneath there for the drain where it comes out, so it's not going to shoot all across to the wheel and down to the drain pen. Thing takes 6 quarts or liters, and I am going to use a full synthetic castrol. It was on sale, so I splurged and spoiled my little truck here. So we'll get to it and show you how we do it. Alright, so here's what you need. I've got the Castrol Edge 530 synthetic, a filter, 15 millimeter socket, and a drain pan. Alrighty, here's back of the engine right here. Transmission go back that way, and I've got the 15 mil bolt right here, drain plug. So we'll be popping that, and I've put cardboard here. So, swing around here. You can see it'll bang up against that instead of shooting across. It comes out pretty quick. Now I'm just going to let the bolt go into the drain pan. I'm not going to get my hands all dirty here. Oh, come on. There we go. Perfect shot right into the drain pan. Alright, one thing I forgot to tell you, there's obviously a little protective cover goes over the transmission area there. 4 8mm bolts, you can find them, just pop those off and it comes right out. Great timing here, just going to take the oil filter off, and the sprinklers came on, so I had to move a few things right off the lawn there quickly. So for an oil wrench, I've just got this rubber strap type wrench. It just cinches up against it and cranks it off. So I've loosened oil filter right up there, and I'll be turning that off by hand the rest of the way, and have a drip pen underneath here just to catch the drippings. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I've removed the old oil filter, and I've got my new one here. I filled it up about half full with oil so it could soak into the filter material there, and put a little oil obviously around the ring here so it goes on nice and it's a nice seal. And I also took a shop towel and wiped around the outside edge where the mating surface goes and cleaned it up really nice, so got no excuse for a leak there. So the oil filter should be on snug, hand tight. That's good there. So on mine I've got there's a little opening right here, and if you have the drain pan underneath there, when you take the filter off, oil will just come right out through there, and you're good as golden. Something like that. Alright. Alright, got my 5-liter jug here. I'll need to put another liter in. Here's my, I actually like using these top of a Dr. Pepper bottle, easy to make funnel. You can make them in all assorted sizes. This one fits almost perfect right in here. So just be a little bit careful, and we'll put some oil in there. Alright, it's starting to storm here. I think we're going to have a thunderstorm, so I'm going to quickly grab the under tray here and pop it back up. Now, the under tray is pretty nice because it's little bolts are all held in there by these washers, so you're not going to lose the bolts. Alright, it's all buttoned up. We're done. Okay, there's one last step you're going to want to do here. Swing right over to the settings and then hit advanced settings, vehicle, and there's oil life reset right there. Hit OK and then hold that. Boom. Back to 100%. There's another little video from Grampzquad. Like and subscribe please, and ring that little bell so you can see when we get new cool videos up. This is F-150 oil change.